A huge portion of China has been experiencing devastating floods this summer, leading to intense scenes like this. This city in Hubei province received more than 260 millimeters on July 1st, prompting a red alert warning for torrential rain. The Chinese Ministry of Water Resources issued warnings for 10 more provinces and autonomous regions from Tibet to Beijing, as at least 6 rivers exceeded warning lines. Guangyuan in Sichuan province experienced its worst flooding since 1981, and Chengdu in Sichuan saw a record-breaking 102 millimeters in a single hour. Downpours overwhelmed the railway station and flooded streets in Chengdu, while elsewhere in the province, tens of thousands were evacuated. From June 24th to July 3rd, consistent rain caused flash floods and landslides across the country, with at least 5 deaths being blamed on the weather.